Monday morning mistakes. We're back today and we're talking about your appliances, ovens, microwaves, ranges, cooktops. You always need to check the spec sheets before you order your cabinetry, but you gotta make sure we check the right spec sheets. This happens often. And one of the things you gotta check for is if your appliance has a trim kit going around it. When your cabinets come to you, you're gonna have an opening already cut. You're gonna have the width, depth, and it's going to have a shelf for your oven or your microwave to sit on. The cooktops will have an open area and you can scoop the sides or drop it in from there. Today we're looking at a base microwave cabinet. Dealt with just like the upper cabinets for a microwave. You're going to have a hole opening and your microwave will sit on the shelf, and then if needed you'll have a trim kit that covers that microwave. However, this is a opening that's made from the manufacturer. It could be too big, could be too small. And you can trim it to fit your microwave opening from the spec sheet. However, you can only go a certain amount with the cutting. Otherwise, you're going to affect the drawer at the bottom down here. And you're also going to affect the integrity of the cabinet if you have to go too far. When you get with the trim kit, you need to make sure it fits. This one, the trim kit is so large that the drawer will not function. So we're going to have to customize this box and actually come in, add a filler down at the bottom, cut the shelf, drop it, and get a new front and a new box, drawer box down here at the bottom, just to make this trim kit fit. Now the microwave will fit no matter what, but the trim kit itself is what is causing the problem. So you can always make your hole opening bigger or wider, larger, higher, but you need to make sure you account for the trim kit to make sure your drawers and other things will work in the cabinetry. Hope this helps you out, and we'll see you next week.